What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to import and export WooCommerce products with images. So here I'm on my dashboard on WordPress, and of course you need to have WooCommerce installed and have products available. So if you haven't already installed it, just go to plugins, install WooCommerce and add your products. And it will add two menu items here, WooCommerce and products. We want to go to products, then all products. And here I've just set up a dummy product just to show you. And at the top here, next to products, you have add new and you have import and export. Now, you can import and export with tools built in WooCommerce. However, if you want more functionalities and more advanced features, you can install a plugin to do so. Now in the import here, if I click on import, I can import from a CSV file, choose the file to upload it, and then map the columns and import all the products. Now let's go back here. In the export option, I can here choose all the columns here to export, or I can specify which columns I want. And here are all the categories that I can export. Now here, which products, all of the products, which product category, okay. And I can export the custom meta as well and generate a CSV file from there. Now, if you want more functionalities, as I told you, and more options, you can go ahead and install a plugin that allows you to do so. And just to showcase the imaging, if I click here on which columns, as you can see here, the images columns are exported. But since CSV files don't have image containers, all the images will be stored as URL, and you can WooCommerce will download them later once you import the file back again.